YouTube. So today I'm gonna be making some slimes. You're gonna need a bowl. So let me go ask my grandma. Ahorita yo necesito un peso. Gracias. So we got a bowl, and I got Dollar Tree is a pretty good place, but not today. I got from Tienda Un Dollar. That's not the only way I know how to say it. And we're gonna be making some of this kind of slime and this kind. So, ciao, Alita, ciao, hello. Okay, so we're gonna be opening. So, here's this. Guys, if y'all could feel this. And we got some to add to this. We're gonna put it in there. Actually not, because we're gonna put that in there. Mommy, is there enough time to do this one? No. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye, I love you. See you in the next video. So if you didn't see in the next video, go check it out. We are going to be putting some of the slime. We did this for review. This is glue, a magic liquid that is called as activator. We're going to put half of this, of a teaspoon, we call that. But not teaspoon. Okay, that's it. Whoa, okay. Let's add that much. I know, guys, I'm really that saving person. Close. Now let's put the activator. This time we're gonna put a little bit. Okay, good job. Oh wow. This amount, a little more. Oh, well, okay. That's perfect, guys. Now we're going to be into mixing. Take a spoon. Start mixing, and then whenever it doesn't turn out, just add some more of this. It's turning out very well, guys. As you can see, the finals are already coming. It's very waterable and sparkly. It's very coming in very well. And once you get this kind of texture, you will be starting to do it with your hand. So take all of you can find. Take it with your hands. It might be watery and stuff like that, but you'll play with it for a couple of minutes, but not minutes, seconds. So we're gonna be mixing. It will get sticky. Well, that's actually good for like the slime you got on your hands. You can take it off, and that means it's coming along. Guys, this is how all of the finals are gonna be looking like. Oh, if you didn't notice, I got a water bowl. Watch. So, guys, this is the finals of this teaspoon. We're going to add this right there. And then with the rest. If it doesn't come along, take this and pour it in the other one. If you add all of that, it would be different. So guys, we're going to be adding this one to the clear one. And then stop mixing. It's pretty okay. So guys, this is the finals. Now whenever it's all mushed up together or stick together, as you can say too, you will clean off your hands. Take the spoon, and all what's there, take it off with your slime that you got. It's very stretchy. And if you want it fluffy, get some shaving foam or shaving cream and stop playing with it, add it. So now take this, go it like that. So guys, we are going to be adding, okay, now we're going to be doing that until it's all like clean, but it doesn't have to be that clean. So like for example, it could be like this, because this is pretty messy. So play with it for a while and then we'll add those little bombs to that. So this is our second slime. We're going to be taking this on. Whoa. It's so smooth. Okay, take this and this. And if you want, you can add that. Oh well, guys. So take, kids, if you're a kid like me, it's better to take one of these, because if you use knives, I don't think that would be good. So, oh gosh, the high pull. Well, it's starting to come out anyways. Okay. Oh goshy gracious. Oh. Mix it in very well. Guys, I gotta go, sorry. But first, before you leave, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye, love you.